Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify, about gardening decor business, easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, here enter your email store and start free trial. You can skip all this if you want. Choose an account and now wait a few seconds to build in this store. Now the first thing you have to do, you go to the online store and go to the themes where you can change the themes if you want. So you can change them and customize them on your homepage store. Now here select any theme you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this. Now wait a few seconds to install in the theme. Now once your theme is installed, click here publish and you can customize it now on your homepage store. So that's it. Now click customize and it will take you to your homepage store. So the first thing here you have the style of your homepage. You can make it like a desktop style or like a mobile style or like a full screen style. So that's it. Now let's just keep it like this desktop. This is the settings where you can design your homepage. uh, First here we have the header, the announcement bar. Here you can change the color scheme if you want. You can turn this on, show separate line. Also you can show icons on desktop. You can turn this on, auto change announcements. Also you can enable country and region selector and you can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's move on to the announcements. Here you can change the text if you want. You can pass a link or search for something like collections. For example, I'm gonna select all collections. Now let's move on to the header section. Here where you can uh, change the desktop logo position. You can also change the main menu or remove it if you want. You can manage the desktop menu type. You can manage the sticky header. Also you can show separator line. You can edit the color scheme and the menu color scheme. You can enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. Here you can manage the spacing, the bottom margin and the section padding. You can manage the theme settings here where you can put your social media links. You can put your Twitter link or Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you want of links. You can add it here. Now let's move on to the logo. Here you can select your logo from your library, or for example let's just for example let's search on it on the browser. Gardening decor logo idea. So that's it. For example, this. So this is your logo right now. You can edit it at any time. You can change it at any time you want or remove it. So here you can edit this top logo width or the vertical offset. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the rich text, the next section. Here you can edit the desktop content position. You can also edit the content alignments. You can edit the color scheme. You can make section full width. You can manage the section padding, and so that's it. Now let's get back to the heading. Here you can generate the heading from this. You can generate the text. Just describe what this text is about. Gardening decor, like this. Now wait a few seconds for. Here you can choose one from this, or if you want to try again, you don't like it. You can edit the text form if you want. You can make it like this, for example. So you can edit the heading size if you want. That's it. Let's get back and let's move on to the collage. Here you can edit generates the text. Also here, just describe what this text is about. So for example, this, you can edit the heading size, you can edit this top layout, you can edit the mobile layout, the card style. Also you can change the color scheme if you want, you can change the section pattern and the theme settings. So that's it. Let's move on to the featured collection. Here you can also generate the heading. You can edit the heading size. Here, just like this, you can just describe what this text is about. So that's it. You can show collection description from the admin. Also you can change the description style. You can change the collection or create your own collection. Here you can make products for width. You can enable view all if collection has more products than shown. So that's it. Here you can enable carousel on this top. Here you can show second image on hover, you can show vendor, you can show product rating, and you can enable quick and quick add button. So that's it. Now after you're done from this, if you want to add something new on your home page, just click here, select what kind of sections you want to add, like for example image with the text, or image banner or slideshow. So that's it. Now let's move on to the last section on the website, the footer section. Here you can edit the email sign up. You can make section full width. You can manage the section pattern. So that's it. Now after you're done from this, you can just click here save, and let's get back to the home page, dashboard, and here where you can name your store. So after you customize in your store, after you add your first products and add your custom domain and add your sharing details, now the next step, name your store. So here you can name your store, type any name you want. Here you can add your store phone. Also you can change your store email. So that's it. You can launch your online store. So that's it. After you customizing your all stuff on your online store, now just the last step is publish your online store. And that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.